In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use trailing stop in Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly what a trailing stop does, how to set it up in MT5, and what to expect once it's running. A trailing stop is simply an automatic stop loss that follows your trade as it becomes profitable. When price moves in your favor, the stop loss steps forward with it. If price turns against you, the stop doesn't move back. Instead, it stays where it last advanced. That way, if the reversal continues, the trade closes automatically and you lock in the gains that were already secured. Think of it as a hands-off way to protect profits without constantly managing the chart. To use it, start with an open trade. This can be a buy or a sell position, and it works best when the market is moving in your favor or you already have some unrealized profit. With your position open, look to the bottom of MT5 and open the toolbox. Switch to the Trade tab and find the position you want to manage. Right-click that open position and choose Trailing Stop. You'll see preset distances like 10, 20, or 30 points, plus a custom option. The distance you choose is how far behind the current price your stop loss will trail. In MT5, points are the smallest price increments. For example, if you pick 20 points, the stop will remain 20 points behind the current price as it climbs for a buy, or 20 points above as it falls for a sell. If you want a specific distance that isn't listed, select Custom and enter your own value. Once selected, you're done. MT5 will automatically move your stop loss only when the trade is going in your favor. It will not loosen the stop or increase your risk if price moves the wrong way. Here's how it behaves in practice. On a buy trade, as price rises, the stop loss ratchets upward behind it. If the market then drops, the stop gets hit and your trade closes, preserving the profit captured by the trailing movement. On a sell trade, it's the mirror image. As price falls, the stop follows lower. If price pops higher, the stop is triggered. A few important notes for beginners. Trailing stops in MT5 desktop only work while the platform is open and connected. If your computer is off or you're disconnected, the trailing function pauses. You should still set an initial stop loss when you open the trade. And remember that a trailing stop manages exits only. It doesn't place or trigger new entries. To get comfortable, start with a moderate distance, then adjust based on volatility so you're not stopped out too soon.